Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Today we are making strawberry souffle. Let's begin. On medium heat, in a pan, put strawberries, whether they are fresh or frozen, then sugar, then add fresh lemon juice. Stir and allow it to simmer, then turn the heat to low and cook for 5 minutes. Crush the strawberries using a potato masher or a fork. Put the strawberry compote through a sieve. A warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. Please subscribe and put on the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I will leave a list of ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Brush the ramekins or cups with softened butter. The sides should be brushed with upward strokes to help the batter rise high. Only the base and the lip of the ramekins or cups is not brushed upwardly. Coat the ramekins or cups with sugar, just enough to swirl around each ramekin. Pour the leftover sugar to the next ramekin and top up if necessary until they are all coated. Then set the ramekins aside. Apologies for poor lighting. Separate the eggs. Place the yolks in a saucepan and the egg whites in a bowl. Let's make pastry cream. Add granulated sugar, flour, milk to the yolks and mix until there are no lumps. No heat is used at this point. Add vanilla extract or essence and mix. Then cook it on medium heat. Stir regularly until the cream thickens. Once it thickens, remove it from the heat. It does not have to bubble. Cover with a cling wrap, touching the cream. Cool the cream entirely. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and put a baking pan or a skillet to heat it up. Once the cream is cool, place it in a bowl. Then pour the strawberry compote into the cream and mix. Adding the food colorant is optional. Mix well. I would like to appreciate my Easy family, the returning subscribers, and say thank you so much for your great support. Let's do the egg whites. Add salt and gradually add sugar as you whip it until they are glossy. Start blending on low speed, and when they become frothy, you increase the speed to high as you add the sugar. Once they are stiff and you put them upside down, they won't spill. That means they are ready. Let's combine them. Scoop 3 big spoons of meringue or egg whites and then mix them with the strawberry cream. Then gently fold the strawberry cream with the meringue or the egg whites until there are no white lines visible, and stop mixing. Be gentle when mixing and mix slowly. If you vigorously mix, the air will pop from the meringue and your souffle will not rise. This means that you need to be patient. Gently check for unmixed parts underneath. Stop as soon as everything is well combined to avoid overmixing. Fill the ramekins. This is important. Run your clean thumb around the lip of each ramekin for the souffle to rise high. Place the ramekins on a hot skillet or baking pan, then bake them. Voila! This was my first attempt with no culinary background. Try them, you will succeed. I can safely say they were a success. Immediately dust them with icing sugar and serve them immediately. They deflate fast. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you will try this recipe. Thank you very much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.